Yeah, sorry, sir. I just could not find it, and when I found it, I realized I brought the geometry. So again, I had to go.
Okay. So we'll start with this third one. So the third one is 2y squared plus 27y plus 30. Now, as I said, first always, yes, but first always you mention what is A, B, and C. So A is 2, B is 27, and C is 30. So first you multiply A and C. So you will multiply 2 with 13. So that is 26. And now 26, you have to split into two such numbers, that after multiplying those two numbers, you get 26. And after adding, you should get 27. So this is easiest. Can you tell me which are those two numbers to take? Multiplying those two numbers, you should get 26, and adding, you should get 27. That is the middle term. Can you think of the number?
$26.
Next.
It would be 13 and 2.
13 and 2, but 13 plus 2, if you're adding 13.
Actually, the 7 sum, they have only taken the addition. 7 into, they have only taken 7x is equal to 5x plus 2x. So 5 and 2 is only addition, it's not multiplication. So how did they take that?
The multiplication actually should give you this, is A into C. Addition should give you the middle term.
So then I can say 20 plus 6?
20, but multiplying is not giving 26 when you're multiplying.
So when in the 7th sum also 5 into 2 is not 10. 5 into 2 is not 7, it's 10. So still how did they take it?
When we come to that sum, I will explain you, because that is different. That sum is different. So because it has surds in it. No, that's why it's little calculation is little bit different there.
Okay.
But the process and method is the same. So here, first you think about this. 26, you want two such numbers. Listen carefully. You need two such numbers that after multiplying those two numbers, you should get 26. And after adding those two numbers, you should get the middle term, that is 27. And this is easy. You can do this. You can think of this number.
You have to multiply it, then you will get 26.
Yes. And when you add it, you should get the middle term, that is 27.
I just don't know.
How about 26 multiplied by 1? You
can do that?
Yes, you can do it. What is 26 into 1?
26.
And what is 26 plus 1? The middle term, 27. So you have got your two new terms, that is 26 and 1. So you can start with your calculation. So I'll write a question first. 2y squared plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. So 2y squared. Now, instead of the middle term, you write your two new terms. So that is 26y plus 1y plus 13 equal to 0. After this, you have to do the pairing. First two pair, last two pairs. From the first pair, if you see, you can take 2 and y common out. When you take 2 and y common, inside the bracket, you will be left with y plus, and this will be 13. Because when you multiply this 2 back inside, you will get 26. So it will be y plus 13 plus. In the second pair, now, if you see, you cannot see anything common. Okay, nothing is common. Now, in such case,
1 is common.
Yes, you take 1 common. When you cannot
so
identify.
Then it will be y plus 13.
Yes, correct. So this will be
so
y
how is
plus
it different?
Y plus 13. What is different? Nothing is different.
Yeah, so then why did you say that it's different over here?
No, I said you cannot see a number common. So whenever you cannot see a number common, that means 1 is common in that.
Yeah.
So here you take y plus 13.
But if it was 2y plus 14, then we could have taken 2.
Where?
So here if it was 2y plus 14, then we could have taken 2 outside, and then it would be y plus
7.
7. Okay.
Yes. You could have done that. Yeah. Okay. But then our 2 brackets would have not matched.
No. If the sum only was different.
Yes. Correct. So our next step would be y plus 13 equal to 0, or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now in the first one, if you take plus 13 on the other side, you'll have y is equal to minus 13. And in the second one, if you take plus 1 on the other side, you'll have 2y is equal to minus 1. So you'll have 2y is equal to minus 1. And this 2, when it goes on the other side, will go in the denominator. So y will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. So you have two values of y, that is minus 13 and minus half. Therefore, you can say minus 13 and minus half, or minus 1 upon 2 is the solution of the quadratic equation. Is this sum clear? Any doubts in the sum?
No, I'll just write it down.
Yes, go through it, write it down. If you don't understand any step, you can ask me. I'll solve it again.
Yeah.
Understand each and every step and then write. It's okay if you're slow, but understand all the steps and write.
Yeah. Can you hear me? I'm writing, but can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but I cannot see you. Your video is off.
No, that I have only switched off. You can hear me, no, properly?
Yes, I can
Because
hear
my
you.
Wi-Fi is low, so that's why I just switched off my video.
Okay, I can hear you. I can hear you. Did you finish
You can hear
writing?
me, right? No, I'm just about to finish.
Okay. Let me know once you finish.
Yeah.
Yes, did you finish writing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Your voice is breaking, by the way.
Okay. Let's do the fourth one. Now the fourth one is 5m squared is equal to 22m plus 15. Now note one thing, that this is, first of all, this quadratic equation is not in the general form. So first what you do is you write this in the general form and then we'll start solving it. So to write this in the general
5m
form,
minus
yes,
2m
yes,
minus
5m squared minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. After this, you identify what is A, B, and C. So A is 5, B is minus 22, and C is minus 15. Once you have identified A, B, and C, you multiply A with C. You have to multiply 5 with minus 15. So this would become minus 75. Okay, so AC is 75. Now, 75, you have to split into two such numbers, that after multiplying those two numbers, you should get 75. And after adding, you should get minus 22. That is the middle term. Okay, can you think of any such numbers? Just give it a try. Think of it. What two numbers you should take, that multiplying those two numbers, you will get 75. And after adding those two numbers, you should get the middle term, which is minus 22. Can you think of any such numbers? Now, if you see, this is a little bit big number. So if you're not trying, if you are unable to get those numbers, try finding the prime factors of these numbers and then try to do combinations. So I'll just find out prime factors.
75 will be 5. Okay, we can go with 3 also.
Yeah. See, we have got 3 into 5 into 5. So now what you can do is you can just take combinations of these numbers. Like for example, you can take multiply 3 into 5. So it is 15 and then this 5. So 15 into 5 will give you 75. But if you add it, 15 plus 5, this is 20. And even if you subtract it, 15 minus 5, this is 10. So I'm not getting my middle term here, that is 22. So take some other combination. Let's take.
We'll have to take something with 8, I guess. So then we'll minus, so you'll get 22.
How about trying to multiply these two first? 5 into 5, that is 25. And then multiply it with 3. Okay, 25 into 3 is this will give you 75.
And minus will give you 22.
Yes, but I want minus 22. So which sign should I give to which number? I want minus 22. No,
right?
No. I want minus 22 as the answer.
Oh, so, okay. I thought you were asking me for multiplication.
Yes.
Okay. Then it would be 25.
Yes, for 25, you give the negative sign. So minus 25 and plus 3. Minus 25 plus 3 will give you the middle term, that is minus 22. So you see the two new terms to take is minus 25 and 3. Now, since we have got our two new terms, let's start solving this. So the question is 5m squared minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0. So 5m squared, instead of the middle term, now you write your two new numbers. That is minus 25m plus 3m, last term minus 15 as it is. After this, you do the pairing. This is the first pair. This is the second pair. Okay, in the first pair, what can you see common?
5m.
Yes, 5m. And inside the bracket, you will be left
with m minus 5m.
M minus 5. M is common, no? So H is 5.
Oh, okay.
Plus, in the second bracket, what is common?
3.
3. So inside the bracket, M minus 5. Equal to 0.
I love how at the beginning nothing is, you feel nothing is going to happen, but then at the end, everything just happens and falls into the place.
Yes. So you have to just be careful at this term. Get the correct numbers and put the proper signs. That's it. Once you get those, rest all thing is easy. So this is m minus 5 and 5m plus 3 equal to 0. So here you will have m minus 5 equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 equal to 0. Now in the first equation, take minus 5 on the other side. So m will be equal to plus 5. In the second equation, you take plus 3 on the other side. So you have 5m is equal to minus 3. And this 5 is in multiplication here. So when you take 5 on the other side, you'll have m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So you see, you've got the two values for the two solutions. So therefore, 5 and minus 3 upon 5 is the solution. Okay, have you understood this sum? Yes? Is it clear? Any doubts? Any steps you have not understood?
No, I've understood.
Oh, okay, go through it.
Write this?
Yes, write it down. Go through it, write it. Write a rough work also so that you may understand it later. Understand each and every step while you're writing it. If you have doubts in any step, ask me right away. Yes, did you finish writing this?
Oh, just 1 second. Yeah, done.
Okay, let's see the fifth one. Fifth one is 2x.
2 plus 1 upon 2.
2x.
What is 2 plus 1 upon 2?
Where do you see 2 plus 1 upon 2?
A plus C. Oh, A into C. A into C.
Okay. Mm, we'll just try to simplify this before taking A, B, and C. If you see the last term, it has 1 upon 2. Okay, there is 2 in the denominator. So what you do is you multiply the equation throughout by 2. Multiply the equation by 2. So it will become 2 into 2x squared minus 2 into 2x plus 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 into 0. So I multiplied 2 throughout. So this will become 4x squared minus 2 into 2, 4. So this becomes 4x. Here, 2 from the numerator and 2 from the denominator will get cancelled. And you will be left with just plus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side, 2 into 0 is 0. So you have 4x squared. Now you have a new quadratic equation. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now find out A, B, and C. A is 4, B is minus 4, and C is 1. Now multiply A into C. A into C. A is 4, C is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. Now you have to split 4 into two such numbers that after multiplying those two numbers, listen carefully, after multiplying those two numbers, you should get 4. And after adding those two numbers, you should get the middle term, that is minus 4. Can you think of? Now this is, yes, which are those?
When you add, you should get 4, and when you multiply, you should get minus 4. So minus 2 into.
When you multiply, you should get this term, this one, that is plus 4 here. And
Yeah,
when
so
you
2
add,
into 2.
correct, 2 into 2. But when you add, you should get the middle term, that is minus 4. So when I add, I want minus 4. So what signs should I give to both of it?
Minus.
Minus, minus. For both you give minus, because minus 2 will give you minus 4, which is the middle term. So your two new terms are minus 2 and minus 2. Okay.
Yes.
So will you be able to complete the sum from here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it and tell me your final answer, what you get.
Yeah. what will you take common out of 4x squared minus 2x? Take x.
Common out of 4x squared minus
2x.
2x.
So you will
X,
take 2x
x,
minus.
yes, 2x common, correct. So
And
when you
then
take,
if you take that out, then you will get 2x squared.
no, here,
that's it.
Inside
You will only get that much.
2x and here minus 1.
But how 1? You just divide, no? So why will you get 1?
So 2x divided by 2x is 1, right?
Okay.
Because you have taken 2x common, no? So this part will become 1.
And in the earlier one also you will take 2x outside, so in in the next one, what will you take out? Next one is minus 2x plus 1.
Minus 2x plus 1. So you see nothing is common. And you cannot see anything common. So when it is such thing, you take 1 common. But you need minus, so you take minus 1 common out. So you will have 2x minus 1 and equal to 0. So both the brackets are the same, right? Here, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So you have 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0.
Done? Over?
No.
Yeah, exactly. So 2x will equal to plus 1.
I'm waiting actually for you to solve. So
And
2,
then
yes.
x will equal to 1 upon 2.
Correct. In both the cases, my x is equal to 1 upon 2. Here also you will get x is equal to 1 upon 2. So your final statement
Just write it once.
Yes. Yes. So in your final statement, you can write x is equal to 1 upon 2 is the solution.
Yeah, done. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello, I can't hear you.
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear.
Okay. So let's do the sixth one. The sixth one is 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1.
Minus 1.
Now, firstly, if you see this is
minus.
it is not in this general form of the quadratic equation. So first what you do is do a little bit simplification and bring it in the general form. So first way is if by doing cross multiplication. If you consider this to be 1, you do cross multiplication. So this becomes 6x into x will become 6x squared. 2 into 1 will become 2 upon 1 into x will become x is equal to 1. Now, there is an equal to sign here. So again, you do the cross multiplication, but when there is an equal to sign, you don't multiply the denominator. So 6x squared minus 2 into 1 will be the same thing. 6x squared minus 2 is equal to x into 1 will be x. Now take plus x on the left hand side, it will become minus x. So you'll have 6x squared minus x minus 2, this minus 2 as it is, equal to 0. Did you understand this? Yes?
No.
That did you understand?
Yes.
No,
You didn't finish the sum.
no, I didn't finish. Yeah, can you see at least the screen?
I can see till x square minus 2 upon x equals to 1 upon 1. And
After
now
that,
you did the cross arrows. Yeah, now 6x square minus 2x equals to x. Yeah, I can see till that.
okay, after that, one more step is there.
Step?
Yes, 6x squared.
Yeah, 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to
equal
0.
to 0. Yes. Did you understand up to here?
Yes.
Okay. The next is finding A, B, and C. So A is equal to 6. I'm writing it. Can you see? B is equal to minus 1. And C is equal to minus 2. Okay. I have written A, B, and C. Can you see it? No? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
I think there is a lag.
Yes, there is, I think.
So now 6 into 2, and 6
Yes.
into minus 2, so minus 12.
Correct. So 6
And
into
minus 1 is
minus 2,
expected
so minus
as
12. Correct. So you have to split minus 12 into 2 such. This is easy. This you can do. Can you think splitting minus 2 into 2 such numbers and after multiplying?
No, I'm bad at this.
No, you can. You can. You know. Think about 12. Which two numbers multiplying gives 12? Think about that first.
6 into 6.
No, 6 into 6 is 36. I want
Oh,
12.
sorry. 6 into
Yes, correct. 6
what?
into 2.
6 into 2.
2,
But
correct.
6 minus 2 is on 1.
Not. But there is one more number, more two pair of numbers that after multiplying you get 12. Think of the table of 3.
4 threes.
Yes, 4 threes are 12. And if you do 3 minus 4, how much is it?
3 minus 4 minus 1.
And are you getting the middle term? Yes.
Yes.
So you know the two numbers are 3 and minus 4. Okay, 3 multiplied by minus, if you multiply them, you will get minus
Hey, can
12.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. And if you subtract them, you'll get minus 1, which is the middle term. So this is minus 12. So 3 and minus 4. Can you do the sum from here? Yes, can you complete the sum from here?
Yeah. I have to write all of that and then complete, right? Because for the earlier one, I just wrote it. I did not complete it.
What? Earlier one, what you did?
I have to write this, what you have written, and then I have to continue, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but in the earlier one, I did not do that. So once I finish this, can you just go to the previous thing?
Okay. Or if you have not started this sum, complete the previous sum first. I'll
No,
show you
I've
the previous.
started.
You started, okay. Complete this
No,
first
I
and then.
have left a page for it, so there is space.
Okay. Are you having some internet problem today also?
Yeah, for the past 4 days, I'm having.
Okay.
Today is the 4th day. But today I guess it's fine. I can hear you.
Okay. No, because if there is a lag, then it will be difficult for you to understand them.
No, now I don't think there's a lag.
Okay.
Six x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equals to 0.
Yes, 6x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0.
Sorry, minus 2 equals to 0.
Yes.
So then you will take 3x outside and you'll get 2x plus 1.
Correct.
But then in the next one, when you take 2x outside,
you'll have to take minus 2x out. 2 outside,
Oh.
sorry, just 2. Okay, just 2. Because here x is not there, so you cannot take x common. So just minus 2 outside. And inside, as you know, when you take minus outside the bracket, inside will become plus. So this will become 2x plus, and since 2 is outside, it will become
So it will not
1.
be minus 2x?
No, it will not become minus 2. Because minus is outside the bracket. So when you take minus outside the bracket,
No, inside. Minus 2 you took outside. So if you took minus 2 outside and you did minus 1 in the plus 1, then why not plus 2x minus 2x?
Minus is outside the bracket, right? So inside it will remain plus inside.
No, 1 second. When you took minus 2, so this you made plus, correct? It was minus. Correct? It was
Correct.
minus. So
Correct.
then why did you do this minus?
No. Okay, I understood yours. See, this minus is here outside the bracket. So inside, even this turned positive.
Understood.
Equal to 0. Okay, and then now you can complete, I think, from here. 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Tell me your final answer of x, what it is.
X equals to 2 upon 3, x equals to minus 1 upon 2.
Correct.
Can you show me the earlier slide?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll stop here, and I would want you to do the next sum for sixth. Okay, seventh was the last one, I guess, right?
Yes, and I've already done that.
Yeah, but I'll explain you that one again. Okay, ninth sum I want you to do for homework. Seventh and eighth one we'll do in the next.
2m square minus
yes.
24 into 2
correct.
equals to 50. So that will come on that side, minus 50 equals to 0.
Yes, correct. So this one you'll able to do. Ninth one do for homework, and
no, I'll only do the ninth one.
Okay, so we have, I think 10th is the last sum of this exercise, is
Yeah,
it?
that you can do.
Okay, so we have 3 sums remaining from this exercise, which we'll do in the next class. So you have 9 sum for homework.
1 for homework and 3 we'll do in the class?
Yes, we'll do in the class.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Chris. 1 second.